do you need help finding your car? And she goes, I do, I can't find my car. So I said, just get in. We'll drive around and we'll find it. And she kind of paused for a second, like, do I trust this girl? And then she got in. And we probably were in the car for maybe like, I don't know, 45 seconds. She's like, there's my car. Oh my God, it's so good, you know, yay. So she gets out, and what she said is like, I knew it. I knew I was gonna cry. It's literally the most profound thing I feel like has ever happened to me in such a short amount of time, like just with words, you know? She said these 4 words: God always sends somebody. Why I'm trying to tell you is because I feel like that's what he's doing with all of you, sending to me. And it's happened so many times throughout this journey. Every time I feel like, how am I gonna do this? How's this gonna be okay? How are we gonna make it through COVID? I feel like so many people show up, and God does always send somebody. So thank you for being all the somebodies I need right now. And I'm still like going through the messages. I can't even believe it. They're so beautiful. I just had to share that with you. I also have to like go in case they come over. But go watch the Stanford commencement address. Thank you guys so much.